There were two major reasons or things that stood out that attracted me to working here at the University of Toronto. The first was the chance to live and work here in the city of Toronto. Toronto is one of the most diverse and livable cities in Canada, if not the world, and I'm really excited to call this my new home. The second is I knew this would be a great place to start a research program. I saw a lot of opportunities where my research interests complemented or could be incorporated with programs that already existed here, like the environmental group, city center, or the Center for Resilience of Critical Infrastructure. My research focuses on low impact development and the challenges associated with implementing it. We look for identifying the barriers and then developing solutions that are economically practical and culturally acceptable given a place's local climate, geology, and land use. Now, low impact development is a design and planning method that seeks to reduce our impact of our urban centers on our natural water resources. And we achieve this by developing stormwater management systems that better mimic natural flow paths and conditions. Poor stormwater management leads to all kinds of problems like increased risks of flooding, erosion, degradation or depletion of drinking water, and loss of our natural aquatic ecosystems. And so the challenges associated with protecting our water resources and managing it in a more sustainable fashion is something I find quite fascinating. In terms of my research, I am really excited to work. Toronto in particular, we're quite close to two of the most active conservation authorities, the Toronto region and the Credit Valley. Both are really leading the way in implementing integrated water management. As an educator, I hope to inspire undergraduate students to pursue careers in water resource engineering. I also take my role as a mentor to both undergraduate and graduate students very seriously. In my undergraduate training, having female professors or teachers was very rare, but I was very lucky to work for a wonderful woman through my PhD, and having female role models has been important throughout my career. I really hope as an educator here now I can help the next generation of women engineers pursue engineering, stay in engineering, and also consider research as a career path. I was inspired to become an engineer by my high school physics teacher, Ms. Schmera, and she was a trained chemical engineer. And then while I was in my undergrad, I did a co-op for the city of Burlington and fell into water resource engineering by accident. And it's just an area that I've been interested in and fallen in love ever since.